You know the story is raining somewhere else and it's not raining where you're at. Look at that rain across that field right there. That's exactly what that is. It's not raining here though. And I don't see it behind me either. That is rain. Oh, bad. Lock camera. What's going on with it? I know them batteries. I have to fix that. See that? That is crazy. Let me move this. That's rain, ain't it? We're not getting it over here though. Sucks. I had to keep the camera moving because I got the VR on or something. Whatever that shit is. Raining somewhere else and not raining where you're at. That's how it goes. Looks like it's trying to get over here. It done quit. That's an example of raining somewhere else and it's not raining where you're at. Let's look at this. I can pan across, I think. Let's go right here, look. Bye. Where's my tree at? Shoot. See over there? Raining somewhere else. And it's not raining where you're at. Prime example. Alright. Peace out.